So this is day 2 of New Zealand's complete lockdown, 20-day lockdown, and my boy, who's in a 14-day isolation, isn't even allowed to drive to the supermarket, so he needs some toothpaste. Now, given that we're not supposed to be driving, I'm going to have to run around there. Kiwis are amazing during times like this, and the little teddy bears is because this is just something nice that we thought Kiwis should do to encourage the kids during this difficult time. How amazing is that? So this is my local supermarket. Normally this car park would be full, and definitely that would be full. But there is just nobody around. So as you can see, the total retail has been shut down. Don't touch the rail. What do you guys think of it so far, day 2?
Not too bad. We're just doing what we normally do, walking the dog.
Well, we've got to stay 2 metres apart. Yeah. You guys obviously are in the same household.
Yeah.
He dashed to my son's place 6 k's away because he just came in from overseas, so he can't drive. So I'm just going to drop off some toothpaste. Yes. Anyway, look, if I do post this, if you had one thing to say to New Zealanders or the rest of the world, what would it be?
Stay safe.
Stay at home.
There you go, there's from a couple of typical Kiwis and their black Labrador. It's the most eerie thing. Everybody's being incredibly polite. You watch people keep their distance. Now this is going to be a bit awkward because we're in a very narrow path. Normally this road would be absolutely bustling. She's 10 o'clock in the day and it's essential travel only. Good to see everybody out getting some exercise. Including mum and baby. Not such a bad thing this, you know, I've seen so many dads in their driveways playing basketball. We've probably got mum and kids coming out not normally doing this either. There's so much time on our hands that people are just doing things differently with their time. How good is that? This is the St Andrews golf course. Now you'd think if you had 20 days off you'd be out playing golf, but the restriction, the lockdown, is no golf. We should be at the beach. There's a lot of mushrooms out at the moment. Might have to do a oh, they're beautiful too. Might have to go foraging later on today. Wouldn't be a hike or run without a trig. I'm going a little stir crazy. Now, not many people will probably know where this is. Okay, so I'm here to deliver the Colgate. Now let's see if my boy's here. Kind of expect the dog to come out first. Oh darling, why can't I pat her? I've got something for you. Yeah, the girls are okay, but outdoorsman Dave is just a little bit crazy. Yeah. Oh, actually, that's 9.75k. Alright, so how's it all going for you guys so far?
We've both got our full workstation set up.
Yep.
Otherwise it's only been like a day, so I hope it's not that bad.
Hey, so I'll just finish it off here. So that's 9.75 k's. Obviously I've got another 10 or so to go. See how busy it is. Thanks for watching.